Dressing as a petite woman can sometimes feel challenging, but with the right tips and tricks, you can enhance your frame and create stylish, flattering looks. Whether you're 5'4" or shorter, understanding how to dress for your body type is key to feeling confident and chic. In this video, I will share some tips to help you navigate fashion as a petite woman. 1. Embrace tailoring. One of the challenges of dressing as a petite woman is finding clothes that fit perfectly. Ill-fitting clothes can overwhelm your frame, making you appear shorter and less polished. That's why customizing your clothing ensures a perfect fit, highlighting your best features. Invest in a good tailor who can adjust hems, take in waists, and alter sleeves. 2. Opt for high-waisted styles. High-waisted pants, skirts, and shorts are a petite woman's best friend. These styles elongate your legs by creating the illusion of a higher waistline. Pair high-waisted bottoms with tucked-in tops to maintain a streamlined look. This combination not only adds height, but also accentuates your waist, giving you a balanced silhouette. 3. Choose the right lengths. Length plays an important role in dressing for a petite frame. Avoid overly long skirts and dresses that can swamp your figure. Instead, opt for mini, midi, or knee-length styles. When it comes to pants, cropped or ankle-length trousers are ideal as they prevent bunching at the ankles and create a cleaner line. Monochrome outfits or single-color dressing can make you look taller and slimmer. Wearing one color from head to toe creates a continuous line, enhancing your height. Additionally, vertical stripes are a petite woman's ally. They draw the eye up and down, elongating your frame and adding a touch of sophistication to your look. V-neck tops and wrap dresses are excellent choices for petite women. V-necks create an elongating effect, drawing attention to your face and neckline. Wrap dresses cinch at the waist and enhance your natural curves, providing a flattering shape that highlights your best features. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave a comment below. Your contribution means a lot to me. Thank you. Moving on. While prints and patterns can be fun, oversized prints can overwhelm a petite frame. Opt for smaller, more delicate prints that complement your size without overshadowing you. Florals, polka dots, and small geometric patterns can add interest to your outfit without overpowering your look. Choose the right shoes. The right footwear can make a significant difference in how tall and put together you appear. Nude or skin tone shoes create the illusion of longer legs, especially when paired with skirts or dresses. Pointed toe shoes are another great option as they elongate the foot and leg. Avoid shoes with ankle straps that cut off your leg line and opt for heels, wedges, or flats with a low vamp to enhance your height. Structured and fitted outerwear. Outerwear should complement your frame, not overwhelm it. Choose jackets and coats that are fitted and structured rather than oversized and bulky. Cropped jackets that hit at the waist or just above the hips are ideal, as they highlight your waistline and create a balanced look. Avoid long floor-length coats that can drown your petite frame. Accessorize strategically. Accessories can enhance your outfit, but it's essential to choose them wisely. Avoid overly large handbags that can dwarf your frame. Instead, opt for medium-sized or smaller bags that are proportionate to your size. Long necklaces and scarves can add vertical lines to your look, further elongating your silhouette. When it comes to belts, choose narrower styles that won't cut your body in half. Play with proportions. Understanding proportions is crucial for dressing as a petite woman. Pair fitted tops with flared or A-line skirts and wide-leg pants with more form-fitting tops. Balancing the proportions of your outfit ensures that your frame isn't overwhelmed by too much fabric, creating a harmonious and flattering look. Mind the details. Details such as pockets, pleats, and embellishments can significantly impact how your outfit looks on a petite frame. Avoid large, bulky pockets and excessive pleating, which can add unnecessary volume. Instead, opt for clean lines and subtle details that enhance your outfit without overwhelming your figure. Dressing as a petite woman is all about finding the right balance and proportions that flatter your unique frame. By embracing tailoring, choosing the right lengths, and understanding how to play with colors and patterns, you can create stylish and flattering looks that make you feel confident and chic. Remember, the key is to highlight your best features and create a harmonious silhouette that enhances your natural beauty. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to mastering the art of petite fashion. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you again, and thank you.